everybody, I'm Sammy, and today I have a really cool guest, Natalie.
Hi.
So Natalie I have known since 2010. She's a 3rd degree black belt now, so we trained at the University of Utah together back in 2010. We actually went to my very first collegiates together, which I guess was your first collegiates too. I lost there.
So did I.
Great. We trained together in sparring and weapons and pretty much everywhere together. So in 2012, she took off to California. I have no idea why, because Utah's awesome. I haven't gone to see her a lot, but she just came back and I'm showing her around our new studio.
It's amazing.
It's a lot bigger than where we used to train. Now in California, she does Muay Thai. Do you like it better than Taekwondo? This is a Taekwondo channel.
No.
Now I'm gonna try and get her to do some Taekwondo things that she probably hasn't done in years. And we're just gonna see how that goes. Yikes. Let's go. So I found a bow staff. Natalie used to compete with bow staff, and we're gonna see what kinds of tricks she can or can't do anymore. Ready? Okay, first one, let's see a neck roll.
This way?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, she did it. Do a...
Neck roll?
Okay. That's where I do them.
Really?
Yeah. See, it worked. There we go. You throw. Okay, now throw spin catch like you tried.
Oh, God.
You hit it!
I know I hit it.
You're supposed to catch it, not hit it away. You try it again.
It's been like 10 years.
That's not that many years. Oh, you were so close. Okay, we gotta get this one. One more.
Yay!
Yay, we did it! Remember any strikes?
I remember... My foot's in the wrong place though. What's this one?
I like how you trying to remember all these things as you do them. Ah! Look how pretty!
Yay.
You do a shoulder neck roll.
We're gonna find out.
Let's see it. No, you can't. Try it again. Shoulder neck roll. Let's do it. Yeah! That one was cool.
Wow, clearly I'm a bit rusty on all things Taekwondo.
I think she looked awesome. You remember a lot more than you think.
Maybe. But it was really fun trying to remember.
Sorry, I
and
stepped on you.
we used to punch each other in the face.
We did. We used to spar each other all the time.
No, that's the wrong R. We used to
No.
kick each other in the face.
Yeah.
We probably
I hope-
punched each other in the face
I
sometime
hope I
accidentally.
never did. Anyway.
It was fun trying to remember. Thanks for hanging out with me.
Thanks for playing with my bow staff and being on my video.
You're welcome.
Bye guys!